This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in a Volvo XC60. Use the center display to open Settings, tap System, then Language. Select your preferred language and confirm. The system will update and may restart. If your car uses Census Connect or Android Auto, check both system and app languages separately. If buttons are in a foreign language, use icons to navigate or consult the owner's manual for menu translations. Begin with the car on and the center display active, then open the home screen and tap Settings to access System. Locate Language in the System menu and open it to view the available languages. Use the touchscreen or rotary knob to scroll, highlight your choice, and select it with OK or Confirm. The system may prompt for confirmation and apply the change after a short restart, completing the language update smoothly. If the language change fails, check for available system updates and install them before retrying the language menu. If the touchscreen is slow or unresponsive, use steering wheel controls to navigate the menus and confirm selections. Be aware that performing a factory reset will return the system to its original language and erase user profiles, so backup settings or note preferences before resetting to avoid lost configurations or paired devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.